Okay, it's June 4th. It's a Tuesday. We got some thunderstorms out in western PA, very scattered. No constant line across the state. They're just kind of hanging around and moving from south to north, and then they dissipate. As we get to around midnight, you can see not much across the state. A couple of spotty showers across there, and these thunderstorms will try to keep streaming up from the south, but kind of die out. And this is like Wednesday morning. And then you can see we get more clouds on Wednesday, so the temperatures will be cooler. But these showers are in central PA, eastern PA. This is around 10 o'clock in the morning. They could turn into a few scattered thunderstorms, real small, around noontime. But then as the afternoon heats up, you can see we have a little bit more action. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. A few heavier thunderstorms out here. Here's a line down here trying to get started. Then as we get into the nighttime hours, um, here comes the here comes a line of thunderstorms. They become more numerous in eastern PA. Delaware starts to get in the path of these to the west of Maryland. They start to come across. This is around 11 o'clock at night. And then as we get into nighttime hours, there's about 1 in the morning, uh, Thursday morning early. You can see thunderstorms in northeastern PA, down here in Maryland into southern PA. We have some scattered out here, so they're kind of all over the place. These could pack a punch, even though they don't look big in size, but they could be very isolated, heavier deluges of rain. And then here we take it to around 2 o'clock in the morning. It's now crossing Delaware, heading into southern New Jersey. Northern New Jersey's in on the action. We have more thunderstorms out here in the west, and we have some in northeastern PA, so it doesn't go away. And then as we get into early morning hours, this is around 5, 6 a.m. on Thursday, the action all starts to move off to the east. We have some out here over the Laurel Highlands going across, but they kind of fall apart. And you got to get to around noontime on Thursday. Maybe they get a little bit more light because the sun does its bubbling effect to them. And then here's around 1 o'clock. Here's 2. And okay, you got a line starting here. And then you got this line in here. And I think this is the one that has some potency around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. And they move off the coast. This comes across. So again, we have the transition from this hot, steamy weather to the cooler weather, and that's why we have all this going on. Again, this is Thursday afternoon. Here's around 8 o'clock in the evening. It's beginning to clear through, and we begin to clear out Thursday night into Friday.